How to rebuild your credit in 4 steps. What's good, wealth builders? It's your boy Devon back again with another video, and today we are talking about how to rebuild your credit in 4 steps. So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We talk about making more money, saving more money, and building a better you and business. So hit that like button because it really helps. Thanks in advance, management. No, seriously. So with all that being said, man, let's talk about how to rebuild your credit in 4 steps. All right, so step 1 to rebuilding your credit is get yourself a secured credit card. All right, it's a credit card that offers you an opportunity to build or rebuild your credit with responsible use. A secured credit card also requires a refundable security deposit, which is held as collateral for the account. No interest is applied to the security deposit, all right? So there are different amounts that you can start with, and the cost can be from $49 to $200. Now, step 2 to rebuilding your credit is go and get your credit report for free, all right? You can easily go and request your credit report for free, especially if you haven't requested it already within the current year, okay? You can only do this once a year, all right? Keep that in mind. So you can request from all 3 credit bureaus your credit report. Now, if you've done this already, then you know for a fact that you have a lot of information on there and it can be very helpful. But if you haven't, there's a link in the description, so go ahead and check that out, okay? Also, step 3 to rebuild your credit, all right? Mark things down that you do not recognize and then dispute them. You go through your credit report and find things that you do not recognize, and then you go ahead and dispute them whichever way they tell you to do so. It could be by letter, it could be by going to a website. It all depends, all right? And the creditor has 30 days to respond, and if they don't respond, the debt will simply be removed off your credit, all right? Step 4 to rebuild your credit. Begin paying off collection accounts first, okay? Now, the newer collections accounts is the ones that you need to go after, right? The older the account, the least it affects your credit score. So make sure you get all arrangements in writing, all right? Because this is key, because the creditor can renege on the arrangement if you don't get it in writing. So don't call up and say, hey, I'm gonna pay you this and pay you that, and not get that mailed to you or emailed to you in writing, all right? Now, following these 4 steps should increase your score dramatically. I can't tell you how much, but I know from past experience, it increased my score at least 100 points. But what if you don't have the money to start paying off your collections accounts? Well, what if I told you that there was a way to increase your income at your current job while learning how to increase your credit score to 750 and build a residual income at the same time? Yes, there is a way. I know you're saying, no, there's no way this can happen. Yes, there is a way, okay? This is my recommendation to doing it though. All you gotta do is click the link below, the first link in the description, and watch the video to learn more. Okay, so you check out the video to learn how you can, again, increase your income on your current job, increase your credit score to 750, and build a residual income at the same time. Okay, that's so you can have money to pay off your collections accounts. Ding, 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 ding. Also, you need money to set up your secured credit card, right? So this all ties in, okay? You gotta get more money to make more money, man. You gotta do it, you gotta do it, you gotta do it, you gotta do it. So go ahead, click that link. Also, in the description below, I've included a link to get yourself a secured credit card. And no, I don't get a referral for it. It's just something I want to provide to my viewers. That's how you don't have to go look for nothing. It's through Capital One. I think Capital One is a great company. I use them for a lot of banking, so go ahead and check them out. All right, so there you have it, my 4 steps to rebuilding your credit. Thanks for watching, and do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
It's the Wealth Builders, baby.